In this video, we can talk about top 5 TurboHire alternatives and competitors. Hey all, welcome to our Alternatives Code channel. If you are here to find the best alternative to TurboHire, then you have come to the right place. In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 popular recruitment software, including iCIMS Talent Cloud, Smart Recruiters, Eightfold.ai, Workable, and Ceipal ATS that can beat TurboHire in terms of value for money. Let's dive in and explore each of these alternatives. The first alternative is iCIMS Talent Cloud. iCIMS is a software company that provides a talent cloud platform for organizations to manage their hiring process. It provides features such as applicant tracking, onboarding, and performance management. With its user-friendly features and comprehensive recruitment tools, iCIMS empowers businesses to attract and engage top talent, ultimately leading to a more successful workforce. Its standout feature is its easy integration with various HR systems, allowing for seamless management of the hiring process. Next up is Smart Recruiters. Smart Recruiters is a cloud-based recruiting software that provides a streamlined platform to help businesses attract and hire top talent. It comes with features like standardized feedback, applicant tracking, workflow automation, and fully integrated testing to help you optimize your recruitment efforts. Its intuitive user interface and automated workflows make recruiting effortless and efficient. One standout feature of this software is its collaborative hiring platform that enables diverse stakeholders to work together in a seamless and transparent environment. Third alternative is Eightfold.ai. Eightfold.ai is a talent intelligence platform that leverages the power of AI to help organizations recruit and retain a diverse and skilled workforce. The platform offers a range of features such as personalized career development, candidate matching, workforce exchange, and talent management. With Eightfold.ai, businesses can efficiently build a talent-centric workforce that drives growth and innovation. The standout feature of Eightfold.ai is its ability to incorporate diversity into the talent acquisition process, ensuring equitable and fair hiring practices. Fourth alternative is Workable. Workable is a comprehensive recruitment software that streamlines talent acquisition for organizations. It comes with features like automated targeted outreach, anonymized screening, custom pipelines, and native language options. Workable is designed to facilitate better collaboration among recruitment teams and provides a user-friendly interface that simplifies the hiring experience for both recruiters and candidates alike. One of the standout features of Workable is its automation capabilities, which allow recruiters to automate tedious tasks and focus on the strategic aspects of hiring. Fifth alternative is Ceipal ATS. Ceipal ATS is an HR software that is dedicated to revolutionizing the way businesses manage their recruitment processes. It offers features like staffing organizations, internal and corporate recruiting, and managed service providers. Featuring an intuitive interface, users can rapidly create bespoke game assets that fully meet their requirements without needing to possess any specialized design or coding skills. One standout feature of the tool is its aptitude to comprehend language prompts and produce visually stunning resources as a result. Compared to TurboHire, iCIMS Talent Cloud offers a more comprehensive solution for enterprise-level recruitment, while Smart Recruiters is a more user-friendly option for small to mid-sized businesses. Eightfold.ai uses AI-powered recruiting, making it an innovative solution for businesses looking to streamline their hiring processes. Workable, on the other hand, is an absolutely versatile option for businesses of all sizes. You have Ceipal ATS, which is an excellent option for businesses looking to automate their recruitment processes. If you're looking for an AI-powered recruiting solution, we recommend Eightfold.ai as the best alternative to TurboHire. And that's it for our list of top 5 TurboHire alternatives. We hope this video was helpful in finding the right recruitment software for your business. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.